we are going to learn to change from logarithmic form, y equals log base b of x, to exponential form, b to the y equals x. These two equations mean the same thing, but sometimes it is easier to work in exponential form if I am solving an equation. So what is the easiest method to change from logarithmic form to exponential form? One thing you need to know is that logarithms are exponents. So I have this log that's equal to y, and sure enough, in exponential form, the y is in the exponent. Let's notice the b, log base b. Well, this b here is the base of the exponential form. Or we could work on a more visual method. And if I'm in logarithmic form and I want to change it to exponential form, b to the y is equal to x. And here's exponential form, b to the y is equal to x. And one more time, b to the y is equal to x. Express log base 2 of 16 equals 4 in its equivalent exponential form. Now I have nothing to solve here. I don't have a variable. They just want to change this logarithmic form to exponential form. My base, I have log base 2, so that will be my base. My exponent, remember logarithms, this logarithm is equal to 4. 4 is our exponent. And that's equal to our argument, which is 16. And this is true. 2 to the 4th is equal to 16. This is logarithmic form. We have changed it to exponential form. We're done. We could use our arrows and go 2 to the 4th is equal to 16. Write log base 3 of 243 equals x in its equivalent exponential form. Log base 3, I will put my 3 in the base. My exponent, this logarithm is equal to x. X is my exponent, and that is equal to the argument, which is 243. I have written this in exponential form. Very quickly, in a future video, if I have 3 to the x, and this equal to 243, well, 243 is 3 to the 5th. I could see that x must be 5. But remember, the directions here are to simply change it to exponential form. Let's keep going. Write natural log of 2 equals 0.69 in its equivalent exponential form. The natural log, or ln, is equal to the log base e. And you'll learn more about e when you get to calculus. But the natural log, the ln, it is the same thing as the log base e. So I will rewrite this. So instead of natural log of 2, I will write log base e of 2 equals 0.69. And now I'm going to convert it to exponential form. It is base e, that will be my base. The logarithm is equal to 0.69. That is my exponent, and that will equal 2. Okay, one more problem, and it is an equation. The directions are to solve for x. This is in logarithmic form. I am going to first change this to exponential form and then get to work. Log base 3 of x squared equals 4. 3 is my base. The logarithm is equal to 4. That is my exponent. And that will equal x squared. Now, there are numerous ways we can solve this. I am going to simplify 3 to the 4th, which is 81. And to solve for x, I would need to take the square root of both sides. And remember, when you take the square root of both sides, your answer will be plus or minus. X will equal plus or minus 9. We do need to check our answer and make sure our argument is positive. The arguments of logarithms have to be greater than 0. If I plug in 9, I'm taking the logarithm of 9 squared, which is 81. If I plug in negative 9, my argument will be negative 9 squared, which is a positive 81. It is fine. Good luck.